This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to install the SLX40, which is manufactured by Impact Pumps. It includes information on what is included in the package you receive, required items that are not included in the package, tools needed for the installation, and the installation instructions. The SLX40 is a submersible pump that enables surface water pumps to lift water from deep wells and boreholes. Here is what is included in the package that you receive: the submersible pump, the wellhead, and pre-assembled plumbing fittings clearly marked A, B, C, D, E, and F. You will need to acquire the following items before installation: a surface pump with 1¼ inch connectors and a maximum rating of 3,000 liters per hour at 30-meter head, 3 lengths of 40mm diameter HDPE PN16 pipes equal to the installation depth, good quality 1½ and 1¼ suction hoses, and a raised water tank not less than 200 liters in size. Lastly, these are the tools needed for the setup of the pump. You start the installation by ensuring you have a suitable well cover that can support around 100 kg. Make sure the opening is suitable to fit the wellhead. Next is a tank setup. Cut 2 42mm diameter holes near the bottom of the tank for assemblies A and E. After that, cut a 42mm diameter hole for assembly F, approximately 10 centimeters higher than the first 2 holes as shown. The height difference will ensure there is always water in the tank to prime the surface pump if it is removed. Fit assemblies A and E as shown, and finally install assembly F. You can move the tank to its final destination. Next step is to connect the surface pump to the tank. Join assembly B to the surface pump suction port and assembly C to the outlet port using 2 short 20 cm lengths of 1¼ inch pipes. Remember the hose clips? Place the surface pump between the tank and well, then connect assemblies A and B using 1¼ inch pipes. Now close all the valves and pour approximately 100 liters of priming water into the tank. We then prepare the HDPE pipes. Measure the total well depth with a string and a weight attached to one end, or a tape measure. Cut 3 PN16 40mm diameter HDPE pipes that are 3 feet shorter than the total well depth. Since the maximum head of the SLX40 is 25 meters, the pipes should never be longer than 25 meters. This is an important step. Next, we connect the pipes to the submersible pump and wellhead. Heat one end of the pipe and push it over the connectors of the submersible pump as shown. Whilst the pipe is still warm, wrap wire around the pipe joint twice and twist with pliers until tight. Cut off any excess wire. Repeat this for 2 remaining lengths of HDPE pipes. Stretch the 3 HDPE pipes and tie them tightly together with cable ties at least 4 feet apart. Leave the last 6 feet of pipe untied. Now cut the cable ties flush. With 3 HDPE pipes pulled tight and straight, cut the 3 pipes to the same length. Check which pipe is connected to the connector with a downwards pointing arrow on the submersible pump. This is the down pipe port. It is important that you connect this to the marked port D on the wellhead as shown. Connect the 2 pipes to the remaining ports of the wellhead. Now we install the submersible pump into the well. When all the pipes have been jointed at both ends, tie the top 6 feet of pipes tightly together with a cable tie. Insert the submersible pump into the well. Be careful not to fold or kink the HDPE pipes. Connect assembly C to the 1¼ inch pipe port using a 1¼ inch pipe. The 1½ inch pipe connection on assembly D can be rotated as required until it points towards assembly E. Connect D to E using a 1½ inch pipe. Ensure the surface pump and pipes are suitably placed, then secure the wellhead using 40mm M8 bolts. Open all the valves on the surface pump, that is assemblies B, C, and E, and check that the pipes and pump fill with water. You can now run the pump. Connect the surface pump to the power source and turn it on. Check that the surface pump is not sucking any air while running and that air in the system is settled in the tank. This could take up to 5 minutes. Your system will now be up and running. Pump until water level in the tank is above where the hoses connect to the tank when it is level. Thank you for installing the SLX40 by Impact Pumps. It is designed to give you many years of trouble-free service once installed. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to give us feedback or need further support, please visit www.impactpumps.com.